Hey there, do you want to know how to activate the developer tab in MS Excel, that too with an example? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to activate the developer tab inside of MS Excel. I'll take you through the complete steps to activating the developer tab from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. You can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 143 and we are learning the Excel tools which can help us to automate the repetitive tasks in Microsoft Excel. Now, before we jump in and start to record a macro to do whatever we want to do, we get to activate what's called the developer tab. Without that, we can't use the macro inside of Microsoft Excel. So that's the reason I have brought this small video just to make sure that you all have the developer tab activated in your system in your Microsoft Excel, so that from the coming videos we can walk together and learn this very powerful tool called macros. Okay, so this developer tab is an area where we can get into all the various macros tools among other features, right? And it's not on by default with Microsoft Excel, but it's a simple process of activating it within the interface, and there's actually multiple ways to do this. If I just go up to one of my tab top of my screen along the ribbon here, like home, insert, page layout, and so on, so there are so many tabs here, right? So just click on any of the tab, just give it a right click and I get my right click menu here. Then I'm going to go to the customize the ribbon. Inside the customize or Excel option area, I'm in the customize ribbon section. On the far right, I have got all of my ribbon tabs and I'm just going to turn on the developer here. I'll just place a check mark there and I'll hit OK. And there we go. And I have now activated the developer tab. Really simple, right? But now on the developer tab, if you go far left, I have got a section called code. Right, and through here I will find all my macro features, the ability to record macros, to get into the Visual Basic window to get to my macros interface, find all the macros this workbook contains, and a few other features as well. But first, make sure that you activate the developer tab. Again, just right click on one of those tabs at the top, customize the ribbon, activate the developer tab, and you're good to go. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. A very small tip but very useful to start with the macros in Microsoft Excel. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as always say, if you like this video and enjoying the journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.